ETH cost could end the exchange for 2023 with an expected high of $1,866.79. Ethereum's Shanghai refreshed is booked for first 50% of 2023. Ethereum cost with a potential flood could go as high as $26,575.21 toward the finish of 2030. Ethereum keeps on holding its crown as the biggest altcoin. The ETH value keeps on excess in the discussions of the crypto market, regardless of the tepid reaction to the consolidation. While pundits have been vocal about ETH's momentary cost projections, maximalists keep on sponsorship the biggest altcoin. Ethereum has the biggest market capitalization following the head over the Bitcoin. Or then again, will ETH lose its crown to other potential digital currencies like Polkadot's cost? The impending update on Ethereum's Shanghai hard fork, which is planned for 2023, may flood the cost of the coin to more noteworthy levels. This review will get every one of your inquiries arranged. Lock in as we translate practical Ethereum cost expectation 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. ETH is viewed as the biggest altcoin ever. An Ethereum market exchange are made and worth billions every day, and the interest is just expanding. Will Ethereum go up? Economic situations are exceptionally unpredictable at this point. Its main goal is to make a world a superior spot for every single living being and is advancing on it many days. Ethereum cost expectation for 2023 could go from $1,522.72 to $1,866.79 for the year. What is Ethereum? Ether is the local digital money made by Ethereum excavators as a profit for estimations led to safeguard the blockchain. As of then, 72 million coins were stamped. The convention chips away at the confirmation of work agreement instrument and will progress the POS system. This was finished in mid-2022. ETH coin value expectation 2023. Ethereum designers as of late closed a gathering where they examined on possible Ethereum improvement recommendations into the Ethereum Shanghai update. Ethereum Shanghai fork redesign is set to present a lot of basic updates and changes to Ethereum and the blockchain's EVM functionalities. Before the genuine delivery, the Ethereum establishment delivered a pre-Shanghai testnet on the 14th of October 2022. The testnet is known as Shandong, which will be utilized to test and finish the Ethereum improvement that are supposed to be carried out in the genuine Shanghai update during the delivery. In the event that ETH finds consistent assent in merchants and financial backers, we can expect Ethereum cost forecast 2023 to start on a bullish note, which could drive in additional partnerships, receptions, and financial backers. Wherefore, the cost of ETH could end the exchange for 2023 at $1,866.79. Nonetheless, on a negative note, the altcoin could end its exchange for the year at $1,522.72. All things considered, compelled by direct energy, the typical cost could find its base at $1,674.91. Ethereum value forecast 2024. ETH is reliant upon POS, which is gotten by many excavators and information base. Ethereum changed to a proof-of-stake system in 2022 in light of the fact that it was more protected and gotten. While Solana depends on PO, which includes a specific number of successive computational advances that conclude the delay between two occasions and give the exchanges a period slip by. With the Solana network safer, quicker, and less expensive when contrasted with Ethereum, Solana costs can possibly surpass Ethereum before very long as more number of individuals have begun to take on this over ETH. The developing unmistakable quality of Ethereum could welcome worldwide acknowledgement and carry out of ETFs and spot ETFs. This could invite a more extensive crowd, who could push the cost to more noteworthy levels, appearing which, this altcoin's cost could head towards its expected high of $2,939.04 toward the finish of 2024. Then again, on the off chance that this substantiates run the bulls, the cost could downturn to at least $2,411.36. Progressively, a balance in trading tensions could land the cost at $2,595.99. Ethereum value forecast 2025. In the event that the Ethereum biological system centers around supporting its endeavors, focus on new ventures, advancements, and organizations to improve the organization, with more up-to-date refreshes connected with Ethereum 2.0 like leaving the POW. Besides, assuming versatility is sufficient, and ETH 2.0 becomes easy to understand throughout the long term, ETH cost is expected to hit its limit of $4,616.77. Nonetheless, in the event of a potential accident because of any potential guidelines, vulnerability might cause the altcoin to tumble to $3,796.66. All things considered, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could settle at $3,966.59. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026, as indicated by our examiners. Ethereum's cost for the year 2026 could go between $5,566.77 to $6,610.75, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $5,713.12. ETH Value Expectation 2027, as indicated by our investigators. ETH cost for the year 2027 could go between $6,800.10 to $8,705.44, and the typical cost of Ethereum could be around $7,246.74. Ethereum Value Conjecture 2028. As per our experts, Ethereum cost for the year 2028 could run between $12,613.01 to $16,410.87, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $40,482.48. ETH Value Gauge 2029. As indicated by our experts, ETH's cost for the year 2029 could run between $16,192 to $21,994.32, and the typical cost of Ethereum could be around $90,010.77. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030. As per our experts, Ethereum's cost for the year 2030 could run between $20,647.23 to $26,575.21, and the typical cost of ETH could be around $23,563.01. Ethereum Value Forecast. Factors like effective progress to POS and developing effort could lean stars for the convention, with a lift to the nostalgic conviction of financial backers and dealers. The value expectation of ETH could push to $1,866.79 toward the finish of 2023. On the disadvantage, expanding FUD among financial backers in absence of updates could control the cost to bottoms at $1,522.72. This gives the typical Ethereum exchange cost of around $1,674.91 for the year 2023. Verifiable Ethereum Value Feelings 2016 to 2022. ETH started ascending in January and arrived at a cost top at $15 in WAC 2016. For Ethereum, 2017 was a bullish year as in the initial 2 months. The City Fork send-off pushed the cost higher, which occurred in June, with the coin contacting $400. Except for one brief spike back up to $816, ETH's cost declined all through 2018. In April 2019, the main vertical pattern started. Ethereum started to rise quickly and hit $300 in June 2019 after the send-off of Ether Zero Fork. Ethereum started its exchange for 2020 with an exchanging cost of $143.85. ETH rose to $268.07 by February 2020, yet declined to $117.48